Have you ever wondered how the planets influence your own masculine and feminine energy? It's not just about your zodiac sign. It's about where the planets are, how they move, and how they shape the very essence of your being. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmic forces that determine whether you lean into your divine masculine or feminine power. Astrology isn't just about your sun sign, it's about how the planets interact with your energy. Let's start with Mars, the planet of action, drive, and assertiveness. Mars governs masculine energy. Wherever Mars is in your chart, it shows where you can step into your leadership, assertiveness, and take charge. But Mars isn't just about taking action, it's about the nature of that action. Is it bold? Or does it require more finesse? On the other side, there's Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and harmony. Venus governs feminine energy, where your ability to be receptive, intuitive, and nurturing comes from. Venus shapes how we connect emotionally with others and how we allow love and abundance into our lives. Wherever Venus is placed, it's where you'll feel most drawn to nurturing and creating connections. Then we have the moon, which governs emotions and our inner world. The moon plays a crucial role in feminine energy. It influences our emotional depth and how we process feelings. It's not just about what you express. It's about how deeply you can tune into your own emotional landscape. Finally, the sun, a major force in masculine energy. It represents your core identity, your life force, and your outward expression. The sun gives you strength, vitality, and confidence. When the sun is strong in your chart, you'll find it easier to assert your power in the world. But it's more than just these planets. Each planet interacts with the signs in unique ways. For instance, Saturn, the planet of discipline and structure, is traditionally linked to masculine energy but shows up differently in each sign. In Aries, Saturn may push for bold leadership. In Cancer, it's about emotional fortitude. The planets don't just shape your mood, they shape the energies you express and where they show up most powerfully in your life. Knowing how these cosmic forces play out in your chart is key to unlocking a deeper understanding of your personal masculine and feminine energies. The planets aren't just passive, they're actively influencing you every single day. If this resonated, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which planet you feel most connected to in terms of your energy.